So, Puneet, as you were saying that no, the lingering and all those things are going on. But I have heard no that recently during one of the hearings there was some violent activity between your council and the council from Leela Gopalacharya side. Can you elaborate more on that? What happened?
Yeah, actually nothing happened from our side. It is we had finished our arguments and the arguments on our part was concluded. Their arguments when it was concluded, the judge was because they knew that the judge is going to be transferred very soon in after the just after 30th of May, and there were hardly seven or 8 days which are left. So
Okay.
that was the last, when the concluding day of the arguments which had to be done by them. So
Okay.
after concluding the argument, what they did, they fought in the court in front of the judge. Their counsel, Mr. Ajit Kumar, he immediately reacted and he started saying abusing our advocate over there,
In front
and
of the judge.
in front of the judge, and he made a remark that he's going to beat him with
Okay.
he's going to beat him, he's going to thrash him if one of the slap he was going to give it.
Okay.
In the moment what happened, because I was also present as one of the counsel on behalf of so I intervened in between and I stopped everything. But immediately he again reacted, their counsel, and they said, when
Ajit
you
Kumar.
move, yeah, Ajit Kumar,
Hmm.
he reacted
Hmm.
and he went out of the court. And in the court presence, he said, you move out of the court and uh, we'll deal there outside the court.
Okay. So
Here.
they kind of threatened you to see you outside the court,
Yeah.
right?
So such a situation was created that the judge was in a situation that he had to adjourn the proceedings till 2 o'clock.
Okay.
This happened around 12 o'clock.
Afternoon. Okay.
Yeah, 12 noon, when the matter was taken and they concluded the arguments. And at 2 o'clock, when we before we came at 2 o'clock, so we saw outside the court there was many of the persons who were trying to catch hold of all of us who were there at that, and they were with some illegal motives and all,
Okay.
with some illegal motives. So then we went to the CO over there.
Hmm.
This when we went to the CO, the CO, our counsel Vipin Saxena, he requested the CO that such and such thing has happened in the court with giving the detailed incident. And then the CO, what he did, he just because there was no SP, there was no DM at that moment, because they had gone in some conference to Lucknow and everything. That was told to us. So the CO, what he did, the CO immediately he reacted, and the CO, he told he gave directions to to their police, to the police inspector, to be
So
present in the
when
court at 2 o'clock.
okay, so after they harassed you, they threatened you to see you outside the court, like kind of a thing.
Yeah.
Then you approached police for help, right?
Yeah, we approached police for
Police for
help.
help.
The
Okay.
police came to the court,
Okay.
and there Ajit Kumar was not allowed to enter the court until unless the judge was present.
Okay.
That was the situation. And
Okay.
so everything, and then thereafter the proceedings were adjourned with the situation, and the order was passed specifically that because such situation was created in the court, that is why it was adjourned. So
Okay.
this is the way they tried to linger on the
Okay.
proceeding.
That's why this case is lingering.
Yeah,
And
that
this
is why
happened
one
when?
of the reason is
What was the
there.
date when this happened?
This was around 23rd May, the date which was fixed.
23rd May
May of
2009.
2009.
2009. So
Yeah.
this is what happened on the
This is
last
what happened. And apart from that, they lingering on tactics. What they are applying is that they are moving applications on every date.
Okay.
One or the application is being moved by them, either the adjournment, and from last 3 dates when they had moved adjournment application. Now
Okay.
next date is fixed for 12th November, and the last opportunity has been given. But recently, when we went to the High Court, because Ajit Kumar is practicing over there, it was we heard from the High Court advocates that he has been instructed by Shri Uma Shankar Vajpayee, that is there in the High Court, where that is the talk of the town over there, that he has been instructed by Uma Shankar Vajpayee that we would pay you for that. What you have to do is you conclude your argument, but their argument should never be concluded. This is for what we have engaged you. So they are mainly are lingering on tactics.